poppin', my people? Welcome back to Viclectric. That's vibration, electric, eclectic. Back with another video for you guys. Once again, my name is Charms. Welcome back. If you've already subscribed, welcome. If you have not subscribed and you need to subscribe, but welcome back to my page. The last two videos I gave y'all were beginner abs and beginner upper body. Today we're going to do a beginner workout for the legs. We're going to do squats and we're going to do a 30-second wall sit so we can work out those quads. You know what I'm saying? But before we get started, I just wanted to let everybody know I appreciate y'all. I appreciate everybody who subscribes, who comments, who watches my videos, because I make these videos to help y'all. You know, since I can't be everywhere at once, I wish I could. But I appreciate everybody who supported me. I appreciate my future supporters. But I just wanted to throw that out there so y'all know I appreciate y'all, you know. But we're going to do 20 squats and we're going to do a 30-second wall sit. So 2 exercises, 3 rounds. Let's get it. Warm up real quick before we get started on the wall sits and the squats so we don't pull nothing, you know. Alright, we're going to do hip extension. We're going to bam, bam, bam. Alright, we're going to do 10 of those. Alright, we're going to do side. We're going to do the kick out to the side, and then we're going to do front back. Ready? Alright, find a wall or something to hold on to so you can keep your body kind of aligned. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Alright. Switch legs. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, I didn't break my toe. Alright, now we're going to do hip extension front, back. You're going to swing front, back. Hold on to something if you need to. And we're going to kick forward first. Alright, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got the legs, you know, warmed up, you know what I'm saying? Now we can get on to the workout. Hopefully you've already stretched before you even clicked on this video. Did you stretch? If you didn't, pause this video, stretch, play. Okay? First we're going to do 20 squats. You have to have your legs shoulder width apart. Make sure, sometimes I'll bend down and do that to make sure, touch my toes, to make sure that my shoulders are, well, sorry, to make sure my feet are shoulder width apart. You're going to keep your feet pointing straight ahead, okay? I had to adjust my camera a little bit. You're going to keep your feet pointing straight ahead, shoulder width apart. Alright, try not to have your feet do this, or do this. Like, try to keep you from going out and keep you from going in. Alright, ready? Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, that's 20. Next, wall sit. Find you a wall. I got this one right behind me. We're going to do a 30-second wall sit. Alright, I already got my timer ready, so find the wall. Alright, down. arms out. 30 seconds. Already burning. Alright, but what I forgot to say was when you're up against the wall, make sure your back is flat against the wall. And you only go where it's like, you only go as far as you would sit down. You know? Bam. It burns. Alright. Take a little break, break. 30-second break, there we go. Man. Now this workout is gonna work mostly your quads. Yep. Mostly your quads. There's other exercises you can do to work out your hamstring. But these two workouts works mostly your quads. Alright, 20 more squats. Well, actually, I'll sit that right there for a second. Alright, remember, legs shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, squeeze those glutes, 8, 9, 10. I almost got tongue tied right there. Squeeze those glutes. When you come up, it's gonna be like more of a hip thrust, like a bam. You know what I'm saying? Alright, wall sit, find your wall. Whew. My voice shaking. Alright, 3, 2, 1, down. Arms out. Back flat against the wall. Worse than the first round. Alright, we got one more round. We got through 2. We're gonna push through this third one. I hope y'all pushing through. Whew. Shake it off. Shake it off. Alright, last round. I hope y'all get on up. You don't need to be sitting down, you know what I'm saying? Alright, 20 more squats. This is the last 20. Ready? Feet shoulder width apart. I'm sorry if my legs are cut off, kinda. But shoulder width apart and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, squeeze, 7, squeeze, 8, squeeze, 9, squeeze, 10, squeeze, 1, squeeze, 2, squeeze, 3, squeeze, 4, squeeze, 5, squeeze, 6, squeeze, 7, bow, 8, bow, 9, bow, 10, ow. You know what I'm saying? Alright, that was 20 squats. That was the last 20. We got one more 30-second wall sit. Find your wall, 5 seconds. 2, 1, down. Arms out. Breathe. In your nose and out your mouth. But that wraps up the leg workout, the beginner leg workout. I appreciate you guys for watching. I have more beginner, the next workouts will be, I have one more beginner workout coming, and then I'm gonna move on to the intermediate. Make sure you go through these videos and get better at these exercises before you move on to the intermediate ones that I'm gonna drop for you. So, master the basics. Master the basics. But I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for y'all's support. Make sure you subscribe. You can turn the post notifications on if you want to, or just come watch on your own time. Everybody's time is different for when they can work out. Everybody's work schedule is different, so just whenever you get time, master the basics and go to the next step. You know what I'm saying? But I love y'all. Once again, my name is Charms. Vibration, electric, eclectic, Veclectric. And I'll holler at y'all in the next video.